Hey, let me see your hands. Hey. I'm going to give Brandon a minute here, but welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
That's right, where I don't know where to place my hands because this stupid hood is in the way.
And it's very dusty.
And I don't want to mess it up. But we bring you detailing information.
And other automotive goodness when we can. I'm Ryan.
Brandon here. And we would appreciate first, before we do anything, keep this in mind throughout the video. Like, if this is good content for you. Subscribe, ring the notification bell. Share it with your friends, and hey, speaking of merch, we got some new merch on you today.
Yeah, we do. So,
car can't clean itself.
Yeah, check out the merch. It's fun stuff.
Description in the description below.
It is.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We are going to check out another product that has graphene in it.
I hope you guys can see the dirt on here.
Yeah, it's quite
might give you an idea
dusty.
What we're working with.
There's some, I don't know, some polish residue.
Oh yeah, we were doing that.
Splatter.
Remember, this is old. If you check back, we were doing our burn through.
Yeah, and it splattered this hood.
All this hood because it was over on the side, and we decided to leave it on there for when we want to do something with it.
So it's been baking on here pretty good. So
so we're gonna see if the product today can even knock that off. And you know what? No fault of the product if it can't, because that's weird.
And I just thought of something. They already know what the product is.
Oh, it's in the thumbnail in the description.
And and the
so
title.
why don't you just get it out?
So yeah, one of our
mystery.
One of our other favorite companies, you know, I mean, make great products. 303.
Yeah. Graphene Detailer, right?
Graphene Detailer. It's coating, sealant, and wax booster.
So we really liked the Graphene Nano. Okay, was it Nano Graphene Coating 303? It had a long title, but I know Nano was in there.
But yeah, really good product.
Held up really well.
Yeah,
a little hard to apply. It's a little sticky when you take it off, remember?
Yes.
But it worked well, really good. It held up well with our, little torture test.
Yeah.
So good product, and you guys have liked it too, because a lot of people are watching our 303 videos. So
yes.
We appreciate that.
So saw this on the shelf at our local Walmart. I'm like, well, heck yeah, Graphene Detailer. Let's give it a try. So this, on the front here, it says superior UV protection.
Boom, important right off the bat.
We love that here, here in Arizona. Adds slickness and gloss.
Okay, good.
Who doesn't love slickness and gloss?
Winners.
And the cool thing is you can use this wet or dry. So you can use it as a drying aid. Yeah,
so very universal. You know what else I really like about these detailers, be it ceramic detailer, graphene detailer, whatever, even detail spray. Well, not regular detail spray because they don't usually have the protection boost, but we've used the Graphene Detailer by Adams because we have used this, and it really does give you longevity in my eyes on our coatings that we've had over a year now on a couple vehicles. It's made those last, so it's you definitely want to use one of these even if you have a coating. It helps keep it alive for who knows how long. Yeah,
extends that protection, and it's the ease of use of a detailer.
Yeah, and they're easy. Exactly. They haven't. The ones we've used haven't had streaking problems, and I think that was on here, correct?
Yeah. So why don't we hit the bullets real quick? Made in the U.S. USA.
Well, that's directions.
Yeah.
Not bullets. But bullet point 1: boost and enhance protection on existing coatings, sealants, and waxes. So on anything basically that you put on there.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Great for use between washes to remove light dust. So there's your detailer, right? Can also be used on wet surfaces as a drying aid. So your car's rinsed off, spray it on, boom. You're getting protection and drying at the same time. Adds slickness and gloss while wiping away streak-free. There it is.
Streak-free.
And the number one thing we like, superior UV protection. Protects your clear coat and prevents fading.
Wow.
Awesome. And last but not least, great for use on all your exterior automotive surfaces, including paint, glass, wheels, plastic, chrome, and more. So the whole car.
So yeah, you don't have to worry about, I can't get it on my glass, it'll streak it. Don't have to worry.
I wouldn't recommend them tires.
Right. Well,
I mean, you
really wouldn't need it there. But
want to UV protect your tire? Anyway.
Well, maybe you do.
but actually, speaking of rubber surfaces, hey, you've got some little small rubber seals around your windows on the outside.
Yeah, all that trim.
That's going to protect that when you're rubbing that on.
Yeah, and some of that trim too is affected by the UV. So
exactly.
I'm hoping.
Right when you wipe and the black comes off on your rag, it's been broken down.
Breaking down. So now again, we won't be doing a longevity test on this yet, but
nope.
We're just going to show how it works on this very
What I want to see
dirty hood.
is streak free and the cleaning ability.
And
we,
in fact,
we didn't put prints on here, but that's okay.
I'm gonna here. I'll show you a quick close up here.
I'm gonna put some fingerprints on here.
Here. Let me see if it'll focus on that.
I'll try to.
But you can see right here.
Put some
Check that out.
Ew, yeah. Now my hand's dirty.
Oh, great.
Oh, and you know what? While you're filming that, shake bottle well, and we know wet or dry, but it tells you to spray directly on the towel and then wipe. So we'll do it as per the directions. And then you buff off with a separate clean microfiber if you need to.
Yeah, I gotta say, a lot of times I'm a spray on the panel kind of guy for some strange reason. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're just saying spray onto the microfiber.
I like the sprayer. I like the
it's
ergonomic look.
Yeah, it doesn't cut into your hand or anything.
It's on stop mode.
Oh yeah, this is new to us, so
it's hard. You know, it's got a nice resistance on the turn.
Nice tight.
I'll let you do. No, I'm just kidding.
Here.
You know what? It only goes. No, it does go both ways.
Here
All
you
right.
go.
I'm gonna spray on my towel. Let's do it. Right.
You know what? I'm gonna go against their
spray on the panel
instruction, and I'm gonna spray on the panel.
And that's a good point. Yes, you can follow directions, but old habits die hard, right? You're going to probably do it the way you do it if you bought this, so may as well try it.
Oh, and the other thing that I'm known for is using too much product, so I'm going to use too much product.
I sprayed a couple sprays on there, about 2.
Does it have any scent?
A little bit. It feels okay.
I don't really smell anything yet.
It's not strong. Clean. Oh, this is dirty. Yep.
I'm going to let you kind of wipe that side. Oh, well, there's a lot of...
Okay.
The hood is really bad.
Yeah. So what I'm seeing, it is knocking off some of that compound, but it's...
Yeah, I think that's going to require some...
little scrubbing.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Motorcycle.
Yep.
Dirt bike. Look at that. That's
Speaking of dirt.
Now again, wow, that's not...
Alrighty then.
So, keeping this in mind, again, I would wash this vehicle, right?
Yeah, this one is just beyond...
We dirtied it up a little much.
I think it's even beyond a waterless wash for me.
But I am going to say, I'm not going to use the extra towel because I'm just going to flip it.
Okay.
For this small area. I didn't get any streaking. I had a little streaking on the initial because it's a compound streaking.
I see
so that's not fair. But back here, I'm not getting any.
Okay.
So I don't want to use that area. It's gross now. But I'm going to leave this dusty area and just show so we can kind of see the difference. I feel, ooh, slickness, yes. Gloss.
Wow, the slickness did come in pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's decent.
So, yeah, I mean, it's not wax / put on a coating or anything.
Right, right.
But definitely, well, that's a squeaky door, isn't it?
That is a squeaky door. You need to bust out the WD-40 or 3-in-1 or something.
So interesting. Like we said, not fair to judge the product on this compound area here. Actually, I don't even know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you probably can.
Here, I'm gonna draw a line here. Don't do this.
We are scratching this hood.
Yeah, that's really bad. But I'm gonna spray some product over here on this side. I'm gonna do the whole side here.
Very easy to use.
Okay, even for me, that's a lot of product.
And
so
you know
I sprayed
what?
more.
Do you want a secondary towel? Because you're gonna get a lot of dirt.
Here,
so
I'm gonna go
fold this one.
I'm gonna go ahead
Off
and
the dirty.
I'm gonna kind of roll it towards me as I'm.
You're gonna waterless wash style. That's more what this might be called for. It's not an actual wash, like we said.
Here, I'm just gonna, and then I'm gonna flip it. I'm just gonna get the excess dirt off here with the first pass. And then we're gonna flip it completely.
It is drying quickly.
It's warm in the garage today, so, but I kind of want to see because a lot of times, you know, you can't get to the whole thing really quickly. Sure. I just want to see if I can get it to streak. Like you said, though, there's that compound on here.
Yeah, the compound's a little unfair.
So, yeah. Oh, okay, well, a little bit.
I'm seeing some streaking here, but I think it dried, honestly. And there's a lot of dirt on here, Ryan.
and I used a lot of product, but check it out, though. I mean, here.
Yeah, it looks good. Because even your dry wipe there, secondary dry wipe, cleaned up any streaking nice.
Now this panel's got some paint issues, but outside of that.
It looks nice.
That was...
Has a dirt smell. No.
I don't really...
The product doesn't have a lot of scent.
Yeah.
There's a little bit, but...
It's pleasant, I guess.
All right. So, okay, you know what I'm going to do? Let's spray directly on this compound. I'm going to give it a little
let's try to get rid of more of that compound.
You see, look, if I push, it's going away. And then I'll flip.
Sure.
There you go. And then you can tell it's not streaking.
And to be honest, some of this, I don't know if it's compound or stone chips. So
it all kind of looks the same.
to be fair,
there, it's gone. That compound's gone.
But yeah.
That's some dried off, nasty compound. I probably did inhibit some scratching with that pressure, but we don't care. This is a test.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do that on your own car. You'd wash that off.
Yeah, just, of course, you're going to want to be gentler on your own
We like to
finish.
be a little rough with this thing.
But we kind of, I don't know, kind of
likes it.
Kind of show the extremes of,
yeah.
Oh, you know, Ryan uses too much product and Brandon doesn't use enough.
We're looking for comments, right? All right.
But I like that it doesn't streak, and you're getting
gloss. You're getting a little bit of slickness.
You're adding some protection back.
It's a detailer, and this hood did not have any type of protection on it other than clear coat.
Right, other than the finish itself.
Yeah. So we're not adding some slickness, of course, on top of slickness. So that's why it feels slick, though.
It does.
By no means.
Now, I don't know what the hydrophobicity of it is, but
and then
I would imagine it's pretty good.
So, I mean, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and
I'm still wiping on it because this is wet.
I'm going to give some final thoughts here.
Okay.
My thought, super easy to use. And if you're using their coating already, I like to stick with the same brand.
Yeah.
Just because it's made to work together. They've engineered this stuff to work with their nano coating. So why not? Just stick with it. Of course, you can use something different if you want, but why not? And I like the fact it works on wax, sealant, and coatings. So
yeah,
you're kind of covered. You're covered there. Very easy to use. No streaking. Great product, guys. And I think a tricky thing to say. We sometimes say, "Would I use it?" Yes. I would use it if I used their coating, like I said.
Yeah.
Because I don't think I'd use it if I used a different coating. I mean, you could, but
yeah,
I liked it. Like I
think
said,
it would
stick
work
within
fine.
the brand. It works.
I agree,
for us, but nothing negative to say at all.
No, I'm happy with the 303 products I use.
Yeah.
I do use their trim protectant.
Would I switch to this? Very likely, because this is the superior UV protection.
Yeah.
They really call it out on 303 is known for that. Like I said, we've talked about my initial 303. We've talked about this in other videos. Was boat upholstery and taking care of it. Mm-hmm. UV. What do you know? You're out in the sun, beating down on there all the time, and 303 knows what they're doing when it comes to UV protection. So
yeah, I like their products, and they've been around a long time. So yes, I would use this as well, and it was easy to find, to get.
Easy to get a hold of. Yeah, exactly.
Some products are sometimes challenging to find or to
you can walk into an auto parts store, or like you said, Walmart had it, or Amazon. You're going to see this stuff. So
exactly,
good product. 303. We like it.
Yeah.
Way to extend that line of the graphene coating that I think is about a year or so old that we tried that. So
yeah, I like that it didn't streak. It's awesome.
No streaking, looks good, and not a lot of strong, no chemical smell. It's very light, cleaner smell, if anything. So, all right, guys. Pick some up if you like the 303 products, because you won't be disappointed.
Yeah, and so with that, we'll see you in the next video.
Let's wrap it.
All right.
You want to wrap it up? Or
yeah, here, I'll wrap it in this microfiber, and I'm going to head this way. Bye. See you guys later.
Later, guys.
In the garage.
Wait,
we are.
It's been a little bit.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah.
Car can't clean itself.
Oh, we got merch. New merch.